Hey guys, it's Chan from the Pedal Dad. Today I'm going to share with you my friend's budget nuke-proof build. This is a NUKEPROOF SCOUT 275. He had asked me to put the bike together. He's moving the parts from an old bike to a new bike, so he saves some cash. The cost of the frame in the United States is $675 plus taxes. So I mean, it's a good deal compared to maybe a Chameleon, which is about $875. I think this is a great bike, great company, UK based. It looks amazing just looking at it. This is actually my first hardtail build. He's just moving parts from an old bike to the new one, so it doesn't cost him anything as far as parts goes. So let's build it. This particular Mullet build is based on a 27.5 NUKEPROOF SCOUT. So it has a 29er front fork, 130 travel, 2.5 wheels, and then a 27.5 rear. So let's see if this bike grips. The NUKEPROOF SCOUT is aimed at doing a bit of everything. So it excels at downhill, at a jump, at XC, trails, a bit of a technical enduro, or downhill runs. This is a great bike. It's very forgiving. The ride quality is great. This is my first time trying out a hardtail, so there is a bit of an adjustment. But I can see where this is being used. Most of our trails in the East Coast would probably be great for this type of bikes. I would consider buying a hardtail in the future. This is a great geometry. It's almost perfect incline. Question being asked if this is the perfect hardtail. Haven't tried another hardtail. This is the first time I tried a hardtail, and it's a Mullet hardtail, which is first time I experienced a Mullet. I felt heavy in the front for me, so I would probably try it next time on a both 27.5 hardtail and both a front and back 29er hardtail. I think anyone who's gonna be starting mountain biking is gonna enjoy this bike. Whichever wheel size you choose, I think it's guaranteed that you will enjoy every second of your ride. So I guess get out and explore the nature's playground and try this bike out. NUKEPROOF SCOUT, I think it's a great bike. So let me know what you guys think about the NUKEPROOF SCOUT. Thanks for watching. Till next time, keep on pedaling.